What is the purpose of her following me?
I would like to find out from her.
Okay, why? In independence of phone, that's why I'm to me the phone. Why muni konka? Why? That's why I'm to me the phone.
And then the phone ko jamanje. I want to know what happened. Like who called who? What was the conversation? How did the conversation start? Because it's a phone ko tambira ko chabe. Imeka chati namba kudala mwabe. Oh, you want to get then akati kwa bona voice inango. Inachoka yamba kubanja phone who called her?
Leave me alone. I've moved on. I'm young. I need to live my life. Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Fuck you all. Leave me alone, motherfuckers. You bitch, you're following me up and down. You think we are happy? You think we know what we think we don't know what you're doing? Tell your fucking people, leave me alone. Okay? That's it. You know I go dating and doing money, guys. You should tell your people to leave me alone, motherfuckers. You all motherfuckers. You should tell your people.
Like after Tankala passed na my elders, right? The series na mwisho na mabarits. So the thing was, you not to kazin to me na phone. You not to kazin to me na phone. Yeah. So ngatufuno kamba nine is better to me na sister wangu or my wangu. Yeah. If you want ngafuna something or maybe kuli bukata or shanshan is better to me na my wanga or mfana.
Yes.
You know. So now after na bwana mbona vijamanja kwa bani konka wakwenda hapo na ma stories yao they're trying to destroy my business.
Yes.
You know kwamboza abantu ABCD and all that, you know. No, it's too much. Hapa manja sobera kuinchita yanga.
Yes, too much.
You know, and I can't keep quiet. I know some have been saying no, just keep quiet, Tish, and shine your reputation. Yo, I think I saw it business yanga ona. No matter how vanenza shitakusta the reputation yanga, you know.
Yeah, injurious, yeah.
Yes. So natenga phone I think ni mtumire huyu muntu neso kamba kwa nae foot. Even before that nabona mtumira pa first. Stop following us. Tingakoke mu tashitashane. Tingakoke mu mashitashane. Why umapwera nikangachana shokuli konse ni shuliko. Nikali nili huku ni shuliko. Okay, why? Luansha kitwe sorwezi na chipata.
There's a space of how long?
Mama abache pakata.
Like maybe within a month.
Within a month.
Kwanza pesa kati.
That's what nabona ndaba njere. Nezo sita ignore. Yeah, na viva. You know, sense of nani kasikamba po because I've been through a lot. I've been like watch community scandal in Amuli now.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So I was like, I think for now let me just be happy and forget about what other people are saying. Then nabona uyu muntu ari busy. Auza abantu banene mapanga na business sasa bwera no afeka no matsinga nayo.
That's not nice.
Mwana sana. So nabana tenga phone na bana mtumira njere. Hello muntu wanga. It's me namuzamza it's me kuno so. Never must find out again. Problem yanavuta mchani. Problem icho njere why mtu konka. Tukonke iwe chikala chawi iso iwe.
Who said that?
Women ndeva nanusa.
Muzukanji?
Yes. Tukonge iwe chikala chawi iso iwe. Ba usota bakufunda wino iwe. And I got upset.
Sorry for this time. But the only thing, I'm sure you're going to record this from the end.
But record for what?
The reason why I'm calling you to tell your people to stay away from my life.
Which your people after your life?
I'm telling you that you should tell your people to leave my life. Why are you following me up and down? You are too desperate.
Desperate for who?
Leave me alone. Okay, I've moved on with my life. Leave me alone. Tell your people, tell your team to leave me alone.
Anyway, I'm calling you to tell you that tileke kutiko lekanu and not lekanu kutiko guys.
And I think that yes, I heard the insults. I'm not supporting you on the insults. I think that the major message that you had or that you are trying to push forward in that conversation was that they should stop following you.
Yes. That's what even a pen to be the phone per face.
So, but what? Oh, no. Again, it doesn't make sense. You can't just call someone and say you should stop following me, and then they start saying Chikarashawus. You must have said something that provoked him.
No, me vena bwana muza namba muzati. Uziwa mambo nkonka maningi. kulwansha mnani konga kwa so namuuza ma places konzo wanaona tikonga na kuchipata mnati konga then after that uza manje bantu kutuwa kamba tenze bonse pa hotel wana ka leka nabamuze leka kutikonga mtwanga iwe tinga kongei wewe tikasikonka iwe chani iwe chikala chawi sewe bausita bakufunda bwino come on iwe Shanshan I'll deal with you
she was telling us come on I'll deal with you
yeah and which I know she ananuza pa vaso kudala she told me that I'm going to destroy you a long time ago even before that before I had interview with Ellen she told me that
I'm going to destroy you
yeah.
So maybe all these scandals are just to bring you down.
That's the thing. That's the thing, man. Now the thing is that baona tsinienda pants. Baona niendi kalini pushing achene mwini.
Favor is on you, man. Favor is on you, man.
Yeah. So manje, ndana bona kuya manje. Iwe there's no ngambotukana batitebanga hino. Mbotukana batitebanga nikufunza chemushi. In fact, nimaone mutikonka. Nifuna kufunza why? Nifuna uniuze why mutikonka. Why are you following us? Shan. Nabona kuendeve nabona mbashana na kumtu.
Leave me alone. I've moved on. I'm young. I need to live my life. Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Okay? You get what I'm saying? Tell your fucking people to leave me alone. Fuck you all. Leave me alone, motherfuckers. You bitch, you're following me up and down. You think we are happy? You think we know what we think we don't know what you're doing? Tell your fucking people, leave me alone. Okay? That's it. You should tell your people to leave me alone, motherfuckers. You all motherfuckers. You should tell your people. That's it.
So my what she did, anakatinga chekake kaja. No, first anaba postati. Yo map Shanshan insulting me, Shanshan. You see Shanshan. Later on I post delete. Food papita time inangu aba posta manje ka clip.